today's video, I will be creating a UI card animation like this. So let's get started. First, create a shape like this. You can create any shape you like, then double-click on the rectangle tool to create a perfect rectangle. Decrease the scale value and pre-compose it. Name it Card Images. Then open the composition, select the crop tool, and crop the composition. Go to the composition and click on Crop Comp to Region of Interest. Now delete the rectangle, head over to the project panel and import the images. Select all the images, drag them into the timeline. I'm using a free tool here to shift the layers with a 5-frame difference. Just select this option, set the frame to 5, and click on Stagger. Select all the images and duplicate it. Convert into 3D layers, then create a null layer and convert into 3D as well. Select both compositions and pick Whip to the null. If you enjoy my content, please consider supporting me on Patreon for only $5. It really helps a lot. Now let's animate the rotation and scale values. Like this. First, animate the scale value. Perfect. Now animate the rotation values as well. Just like this. Select all the keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Then edit the graph. It should look something like this. Now create an adjustment layer. Apply CC Light Sweep effect. Change the width value to 180. Then duplicate the adjustment layer and change the values. Width 300. Sweep intensity 50. Edge intensity 500, edge thickness 10, next, animate the center and direction values. Like this. Then animate the other adjustment layer as well. Perfect. Select all the layers and pre-compose it. Name it Card01. Now, create a solid layer. Apply the gradient ramp effect. Change first and second colors. Like this. Now type the text, increase the text size, and change the font to phosphate, uncheck the fill, and tick the stroke option. Increase the stroke size to 5, change the stroke color to light yellow. Go to the Create option and click on Create Shapes from Text. Expand the properties, add a repeater, then expand repeater 1, set the copies to 500. Expand transform properties, change the first value to 0 and the second value to 220. After that, pre-compose the text layers. Name it Text01. Apply the warp effect to the text composition. Set the warp style to bulge. Now, animate the other values to create a nice warp animation. Like this, perfect. Duplicate the Card01 composition in the project panel. Drag the Card02 comp into the timeline and adjust it like this. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to support me on Patreon. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.